Hello, I'm Nick and welcome to my channel. I stumbled upon an incredibly easy method to earn money online. Imagine making up to $1,000 a day without the need to sell anything, without requiring any prior experience, and without the headache of dealing with paid advertisements. All it involves is simply copying some text. Seems too good to be true, right? Thanks to cutting-edge artificial intelligence, this isn't just wishful thinking, it's entirely achievable. Begin by exploring Google Trends. Simply navigate to Google and search for Google Trends. Hit the website, and upon landing on the home page, you will immediately spot the trending topics. This section showcases all the current hot discussions. Select one that piques your interest. Afterwards, return to Google and search for Google News. Boom, you find yourself on the esteemed Google News platform. This isn't merely a hub for staying updated on global affairs, local happenings, or the latest in technology and entertainment. It's a treasure trove for potential earnings. Are you curious about how simply reading the news can translate into profits? Well, sit back and tune into this video till the very end, because I'm about to lay out the steps for you in the simplest terms imaginable. Before we begin, please ensure you subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell if you're keen on discovering intelligent methods to earn money from the comfort of your home. Imagine earning $10,000 per month, not merely in your imagination, but as a tangible reality. Here on this channel, we delve into all aspects of finance and explore various methods for generating income online. If you're seeking a straightforward advice on how to swiftly hit the $10,000 per month milestone with minimal effort, then be sure to stay tuned for upcoming updates in my future videos. In today's era, there exists a plethora of authentic methods to generate a substantial online income. With minimal effort, one can effortlessly establish a dependable source of income fully online. If you already have a comfortable job, you might want to explore additional income avenues through side hustles, much like the one I'll be discussing in this video. Okay, continuing from where we paused earlier, Google News offers a variety of sections to explore. If you're interested in tech, delve into that category. Prefer health and fitness, head straight to that section. Remember the hot topics you selected and search for relevant news articles on Google News accordingly. Once you stumble upon the ideal content, simply select all the text, utilize the right click function and copy. However, refrain from immediately pasting it elsewhere, as that might lead to potential copyright infringement. Instead, let's make some alterations. This is where ChatGPT steps in. I've configured the system to enhance the article, adding flair and uniqueness. Let's wait a moment for it to work its magic. Once your freshly minted article is prepared, you are primed to start earning. Safeguard this revitalized content, as numerous platforms are willing to compensate for it. To receive payments, simply contact different websites. You can either send them an email or complete a form on their website. If you found this advice helpful, please consider hitting the like button to support me. Take eatingwell.com for instance. They specialize in health and fitness contents and offer $1 for each word you contribute. The deal is to create fresh articles using Google News and ChatGPT, all while avoiding copyright troubles. No need for fancy ads or marketing schemes. To get started, send them an email with content submission as the subject. Inform them that you have a fully prepared article and eagerly anticipate their feedback. Should they find your pitch appealing, they will reach out to discuss payment arrangements. You will then have the option to select your preferred method of payment, such as PayPal or card transfer. Keep in mind that Google News is continuously evolving, providing endless opportunities to earn. Now let's delve into Upwork. It's an excellent platform for discovering blogging opportunities. A simple Google search reveals any potentials ranging from $10 to $100 or even beyond. Ensure that your articles remain distinct for the platforms to submit them to. Understand that not every submission will be accepted, but with numerous opportunities available, you will likely keep generating income. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more awesome tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.